dreaming of family vacation, dreaming of going into the mountains. Oh, I was just dreaming about owning an RV that I could put on the back of my truck. This is beautiful. This 2026 Palomino Backpack model 8801 is the perfect RV for putting in your back of your truck. You need to at least have a 3/4 ton pickup truck for this one, or a 1 ton pickup truck. Either a 6.5 foot or 8 foot bed would work. And it has all the creature comforts that you need to go RVing. Fantastic fan, overhead, air conditioning, stereo system, microwave, beautiful farm sink with fitting cover, stainless steel faucets, an oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, storage there, storage up in front on both sides of the bed. Both sides of the bed, nice night lights. If you want to do some glamping, you've got a place for your TV. You have your extra couch and or love seat or bench seat, place for your table for having your dinner. This can also fold down for an additional bed. Again, overhead cabinets. The other thing is this unit has solar panels and lithium batteries. So everything you see right now, we're running off grid. Large storage cabinet. Propane furnace for your cold nights. And this unit has what we call the wet bath. It's a combination shower, bathroom, nice size. You also have your refrigerator, freezer, very large storage. So one of the nice things that Palomino did for 2025 and 2026 is they raised the roof line a couple inches, but in doing so, it enabled them to put on not only a side awning, but a rear awning, which is a great feature and benefit for those rainy days or those extra hot days. You can cover up your entranceway with the awning. Never was able to do that before. All power, 12 volt, and it still has the side awning over here, the Thule side awning with the LED strip. Both of them have LED lighting for nighttime visibility. Another thing with the Palomino that they have done in their front cap is they have used the Line-X Rhino liner for protection, and they've combined it with an automotive windshield, which allows for safety and yet visibility when you're traveling or if you want to have some daylight coming in into your bedroom area. It's very nice. Thank you for listening today. If you have any further questions, please contact Lee's Auto and RV Ranch, Ellington, Connecticut. Thank you.